In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase AutoSave Roundup feature. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now you can easily use the Roundup feature within the Chase mobile application. You would be able to find the AutoSave feature being displayed within your dashboard. You simply need to head over to the AutoSave and you'd be able to see two options, which is the on schedule and whenever I get a deposit. The on schedule is depending upon your liking. For example, you're able to set up a schedule, for example, weekly, monthly, or any other given date that you choose, and you'll be able to select the exact dollar amount that you want to save. So you can simply add in the date as well as the dollar amount, and then you can simply tap on OK, which will then automatically save up the exact dollar amount on the exact date that you select. Or the second thing that you can also do is choose the whenever I get a deposit, which means that whenever you receive a paycheck or any other sort of deposits, you'll be able to set a portion of the amount on the autosave feature as well. So depending upon which one you like, you can select one of your options and then set up the roundup feature. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.